Welcome to Block 7, where we explore unique and inspiring architectural designs. Today we will be reviewing Sako House, a home designed by Tomoaki Uno Architects in Nagoya, Japan. With a modest area of just 54 square meters, this house offers a unique and personal concept for its occupant, reflecting a deep design philosophy in the life experiences of its owner. Sako House is the residence of a university professor who has previously lived in 4 different homes. With this experience, he had a very clear vision for his 5th home, a universal dwelling suitable as his final residence. This concept was realized by Tomoaki Uno in the form of a simple yet profoundly designed house. The architecture of this home does not only focus on aesthetics, but also on functionality and spatial experience, ensuring maximum comfort for its occupant. The main uniqueness of Sako House lies in its spiral staircase, which occupies half of the floor space. For the owner, this staircase is not just a structural element, but an integral part of his lifestyle. He wanted to read and live around this staircase, making it the central element of the house's design. As one ascends to the reading area on the 2nd floor, there is a unique sensation of getting lost in a labyrinth, inviting exploration. This spatial experience is rarely found in conventional homes, creating a more intimate and personal atmosphere. Additionally, the house features 5 different types of skylights strategically placed throughout. These openings not only serve as sources of natural light, but also create an ever-changing atmosphere depending on the season, time of day, and weather conditions. The light filtering through these skylights brings dynamic effects to the interior, making it more lively and engaging. In the morning, soft light warms the space, while throughout the day, the interplay of light and shadow on the exposed concrete walls creates a captivating visual experience. Despite being constructed from concrete, this house remains comfortable to live in year-round. Insulation embedded within the concrete walls helps maintain a stable indoor temperature, ensuring comfort without excessive reliance on heating or cooling systems. This demonstrates that even with a minimalist design, attention to detail and livability remain top priorities. From an aesthetic perspective, the house has a strong character with its use of raw, exposed materials. The unpolished concrete exudes a sense of solidity and permanence, aligning with the owner's vision of a final residence. The contrast between the hardness of the concrete and the soft, natural light filtering through the skylights creates an intriguing balance, evoking a tranquil and contemplative ambiance. Overall, Sako House is a perfect example of a design that prioritizes its occupants' needs and lifestyle. Within a limited space, Tomoaki Uno successfully created a functional, aesthetically pleasing, and meaningful living environment. This house illustrates that architectural design is not just about form, but also about the experience and personal connection between humans and their living spaces. Every corner of this house is carefully crafted to enhance the way the occupant interacts with the space, resulting in a home that is not only beautiful, but also deeply meaningful. What do you think? Could the concept of a spiral staircase in this home inspire your dream residence? Don't forget to stay tuned to Block 7 for more unique and innovative home design references.